guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Today I'm going to be working in my kitchen. I need to get some cleaning done, and I'm not going to do a real deep clean. There's just a few areas where my organization is not working, so I bought some new supplies and I thought I'd show you those areas and work on them. I also need to clean out my fridge and get the tops of my cabinets. I also wanted to mention this is a collab with Tiffani Beaston from Beauty and the Beastons, and when she reached out and wanted to collab, it completely blew me away. So thank you so much, Tiffani, for reaching out. If you guys haven't heard of her, I'm sure all of you have. I feel silly even introducing her, but definitely head on over to her channel and check her out. She has two handsome little boys and a sweet, beautiful little baby girl. She's very real and raw on her channel. You guys will love her. If you haven't heard from her, definitely let her know I sent you. And if you're new, my name is Ashley. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have one little girl that I homeschool, and I just love putting content out for you guys, so definitely check it out, and if you like it, please subscribe. Now let's get to cleaning. Okay, the first place I'm going to tackle is my silverware drawer, and at a glance it looks like it's working, but I'm going to pull it out and explain to you why it's not. This guy as an upgrade because I typically they have those white Dollar Tree ones, and actually if you're choosing between buying that cheap option or this, definitely go with the Dollar Tree version. I thought this was pretty. It was silver, it was metal. The problem is everything slides through it. So when I have knives, they just keep going through it. So every time you open and shut a drawer, all your utensils move and slide, and then they get wedged in there and stuck. So I do not recommend this product at all. It's nice if you're using it for maybe toothbrushes or something like that. I may throw it in a bathroom drawer or nail polish, but I do not think this works good for silverware. So I went ahead and I picked up this guy. I have really wide drawers here, and it expands, and then there's no way for the silverware to get out. So I'm gonna vacuum this drawer out and then kind of reorganize it with this and maybe a few other products. Okay, on this drawer, I also like to keep my husband's grill tools just because it's right here by my back door, so that's kind of why I stick them in here with the silverware. then I also keep our salt and pepper, just because normally I'll grab like our silverware, and then our napkins I keep in here, and I'll just grab it all from here and serve the table. Okay, and here's a final look of how this drawer turned out. It feels better for sure. It looked organized when you opened it, but I love now that I know my silverware aren't gonna slide around and end up all over the drawer. So there's that one. Now we're gonna head on to the next one. Okay, and this is the next drawer we're working on. Okay, so now we're gonna start on this drawer, and this one is super cluttered, but this is stuff that I do use all the time, so I wanna keep it. The problem is I used to have it divided into 2 drawers, but I went ahead and made my other drawer a coffee drawer for the holidays and like hot cocoa because everybody was stopping by and staying with us. I do have a full kitchen tour video if you ever wanna go watch that and check it out, and you can see what's inside all of my cabinets. I do like storage in my kitchen, so if you wanna see how to do that. I also don't have a pantry, so if you want to know how to organize your cabinets without a pantry, definitely check that out. So that's why everything's crammed into this one. So I went and bought some of these, and I'm hoping this will help keep this organized a little bit better. Okay, and here is how it turned out. I think this is going to work so much better just because things, once again, aren't going to slide around. They have a home. It is a little full for my style, but this is stuff we use and need when we're cooking for like Thanksgiving and different holidays, so I like to have it. This is the stuff that I think I'm going to go through and I no longer need, or I'm going to find it a new home because I'm liking the way this looks. Now I'm going to take my Dyson and vacuum the tops of my cabinets. use my method and a wet e-cloth to clean my granite. Okay, if you guys have a glass top stove, you do not want to miss this cleaning tip. It took me forever to figure out how to clean this because it gets so dirty, and I don't even like to cook, and I don't even cook often. We eat out a lot, but it still gets filthy and like burnt on, and I could never get it clean. So here's my little trick. Now this I just pick up from Ross, and it's like $3.99. You can use whatever, and I'll spread this on there, and I'm going to show myself doing this here in a second. But I ordered these off Amazon, and these brushes are amazing. It's like a 4-pack. I use them in my shower, all sorts of places, but you would spend hours sitting here scrubbing this off, and it takes seconds with this. So if you guys want to check these out, like I said, they're down below in my Amazon store, so just click on that link because this guy is my best friend.
You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Okay, and the very last area that I'm gonna tackle today and clean is my refrigerator. We hosted Thanksgiving, and so there was tons of food in there and everything was just shoved. So I'm gonna just do it one shelf at a time. I'm gonna take it out, wipe it down, and then reorganize it and put it back in.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out.
Okay guys, these clear containers are my best friend. I have them in all different sizes, and and I have those linked down in my Amazon store too, but it just keeps everything together. Like these are a lot of our dinners, so when I'm going to search for dinners and what we have, I mainly put them in here, or at least the meats or something of it, so I know what to look for. And then I also have them for our drinks because it keeps them from like sliding around, and I like things lined up, so these are definitely a good investment if you guys want your refrigerator to look nice and organized.
Stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder.
I did pick this up from the Dollar Tree for $1, and then I just organized all of our like condiments in there, and it's so much better. I used to just fill this up, but when I'd lift it up, everything would fall out, so this is another good storage tip.
Just the way you are, keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say.
Okay guys, there were some areas that needed to get tackled since Thanksgiving had been hosted at my house, and it feels good to have them done. The tops of my cabinets I just do about twice a year. They do get dusty, and I always find stuff up there, like my husband's tool was up there from replacing the light, and I don't know, you just find stuff around your kitchen. It's nice to get the refrigerator wiped out from all the food. Don't forget to go check out Tiffani Beaston's channel. I'll leave it linked down below in my description box. I filmed this a little bit different. I didn't do a voiceover. I thought I'd talk through it, so let me know if you like this style or you kind of like the voiceover better. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!